Of course one of these DLCs has a bikini skin.
That's crazy. Who would wear that, bro? Come on. That's like so nasty. Alright,
今すぐまっすぐ君のことを探したいけど君が残した人かけらの勇気で歩き出せる踏み出せるもう迷わないからどんな道だって
Oh, Dante, what the fuck out?
Just fucking seeing you drop it. They left us, Cal. Why did they drop us off in Miami, bro? It's kind of ballin'.
Oh!
For the, like,
Dante! To the anime mobile, quick! Go. Bro, this isn't what I thought they meant when they said they were taking us to Ohio, bruh.
I activated my primal rage count. I think we're...
Dante fucking hit me, man! No, Dante, why? I'm not gonna lie, our bus isn't looking too good.
Watch this rocket jump. Bring him back. We have to go get him.
Hey, yo! Dead.
Why is your panties like what the fuck? Oh, the
anime mobile.
It will save us, bullet girls. It's oh shit!
It's the hentai bot.
And because you staggered him back, it caused me to miss.
Yeah, take that. We got him. Let's see what we got. Oh nah, that's it. Oh, why are we in the desert? Wait, I'm.
No, it won't let you lock on my.
Back on the truck. Dante, just drive. Oh my. We woke up a whole lot more of them.
Use your overdrive.
I'm not gonna waste that. Oh my god! I might have to now.
Hey Cal, watch out!
That was nothing but a scratch. These motherfuckers gonna regret fucking with us, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
Cal, I have the wrong equipment.
Fuck all this alien shit, bro. I'm getting the hell out of Detroit.
To be part of an active.
Bro, I hate this game. That isn't gonna do anything to me. See? Oh, nah. Where's the anime mobile?
Let me in.
Dante was took? What the fuck happened?
Too bad.
What is up with this ant right here? Stop that. Look how I'm running, bruh.
Murdered this fiend. He killed us.
Okay, there it goes. Slowly but surely. He's dead.
Damn.
Take that, evildoer.
What the fuck are you standing on?
A car? Yeah, are you not? Do you not see it? Ow.
Get tarantulas!
They're crumbling and shit!
Oh, I might actually be fucked.
Oh, the little
I don't have an automatic
chitlins.
weapon.
Where? Oh, I'm coming.
I didn't know
the little chitlins. Oh, it's spraying its splooge on me. Oh no. I don't think it's cash that they want, Dante. They want our ass.
They want my what?
Oh, that little motherfucker went flying. Oh, Dante. Great game.
Oh my god, finally, it's almost over now.
It is over, I hope.
And don't forget about that funny little bell button.